right, without further ado, this is SEULGI's 28 Reasons MV. Let's go. Iconic solo debut of SEULGI. Let's go. In 3, 2, 1. Okay. Well, she's in the middle of a... Where is she? I'd be so scared if I woke up in the middle of a field out of nowhere. I felt like my organs... What? I kiss your brother. Why the hell? Bitch. Hold up. First of all, she said I kiss your brother like I'm an only child, but I felt like she did kiss my brother. Hold up. We need a... Sorry. You go. Big! Yo! Iconic already. Oh, let's go, SEULGI. Let's go. Solo debut. Let's go. Yo, she gonna... I already know she gonna... Look at all the belts. All the belts. Oh, that's her too? Who's she dragging out with that chain? That's mommy, right? Bro, did I just drool? Did I spit all over myself? Better sing! Oh, what happened to her neck? Oh! Oh, with a little whistle too? Let's go, SEULGI! Ooh! Ooh! What's she flowing for? You gonna show me heaven? The more I break you, the more you... Wait. The more you break, the more you want me. Girl, she took her solo debut by the throat. I mean, we should have seen this even from Monster with Irene. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I know. It's okay. I accept it, girl. I am grown. How'd she just... How'd they do that? That's so clean. She doesn't have a twin, right? No, of course not. That's just good editing. Cause what? What was that? What was that? My best friend Salvi is a big SEULGI stan, so She looks so good. Good and evil people are not clearly distinguished. Good and evil coexist within one person. Even if one seems good, greed and temptation always exist to get together inside. We simply try to resist from being captivated by evil. Jesus. SM. Always with the loud ass outro. Yo, Hedgen, you not ready. I can't wait to watch this with you. She is killing. With the red highlights. Vocal. Bro, her hair. Her with the bangs. Oh, why is this so iconic? Holy Ooh, you better grunt. This shot's crazy. That shot right there. Oh, look at the outfit right there too. I can't wait to see like the full choreo in the dance practice. You better, SEULGI. Oh wait, can I do this? Is this a trend? Maybe I could do this with like Hedgen or something like that. Ooh, that's kind of hard to edit. Nah, I can do it. I believe in myself. I think I'm gonna be obsessed with this music video right here. I think this music video, I'm probably gonna be obsessed with it. Good job, guys. Everybody that worked on this. SEULGI, to the production team, to the post-production team, to the film, the directors. Good job. That was good. That was dope.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on SEULGI. Hey, do I know you? He got an X-toe, that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.